Hi, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going through the process of transferring files from your iPhone to a Windows laptop without the need to download any apps. Whether you're looking to move photos, videos, documents, or other file types, these three methods will cover to your needs efficiently and effectively. The first method leverages the power of iCloud, Apple's cloud storage solution. This method is particularly advantageous for those who prioritize accessibility and synchronization across devices. To begin, select the file you wish to transfer, be it an image, video, or document, and open the Photos or relevant app on your iPhone. Tap the Share icon. Choose Save to Files, and ensure you select iCloud Drive as your destination. It's worth noting that while iCloud offers 5 GB of complementary storage, you have the option to expand this capacity through various subscription plans if your storage needs exceed this limit. Once your file is securely uploaded to iCloud, go to your Windows laptop. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to iCloud. Sign in with your Apple ID. After signing in with your Apple ID, scroll to the iCloud Drive section. Here, you'll find the file you previously uploaded. By clicking on the three dots to the file and selecting Download a Copy, the file will be saved to your computer, typically appearing in the Downloads folder within File Explorer. iCloud seamless integration across Apple devices ensures that your files are always within reach, regardless of where you access them. However, it's essential to be mindful of the storage limitations and the necessity of a stable internet connection to facilitate these transfers. Moving on, the second method, Send Anywhere, a versatile platform renowned for its swift and secure file transfers, accommodating files of all types and sizes. To utilize this service without downloading its dedicated app, open Safari or any web browser on your iPhone and search for Send Anywhere. Although the website may prompt an app download, you can bypass this by tapping the AA icon at the bottom of Safari and selecting Request Desktop Website. This action ensures you can access the full suite of features directly from your browser. Once on the desktop version, click on the Send button, select the desired file, and initiate the transfer by tapping Send again. The platform will generate a unique 6-digit key or a QR code. Ensure you note this down or keep the page open. On your Windows laptop, open a web browser, head to the Send Anywhere. And input the 6-digit key or scan the QR code to receive your file. After the transfer concludes, the file will reside in your Downloads folder. Send Anywhere stands out for its flexibility and speed, especially when handling large files. However, users should be prepared to navigate occasional advertisements and ensure both devices maintain an active internet connection during the transfer process. The third and final method is the using USB cable and File Explorer approach. This technique is particularly effective for those aiming to transfer photos and videos without relying on internet connectivity. Begin by connecting your iPhone to your Windows laptop using a compatible USB cable. Upon connection, your iPhone may prompt a "Trust this computer" alert. Tap to confirm and, if necessary, input your passcode. On your Windows laptop, open File Explorer. In the sidebar, click on this PC, where your iPhone should be listed as a connected device. Navigate to Internal Storage, and you'll encounter a series of folders, typically labeled as DCIM, containing your photos and videos. Browse through these folders to locate the specific files you wish to transfer. Once identified, right-click on the selected files, choose Copy, and paste them into your desired directory on your laptop. This USB method offers the advantage of rapid, direct transfers without the constraints of internet speeds or data limits. However, it's primarily confined to media files and necessitates a physical connection between your devices. In conclusion, the optimal method for transferring files from your iPhone to a Windows laptop hinges on your specific requirements and circumstances. iCloud is ideal for those who value synchronized access across devices, especially when dealing with a variety of file types. Its user-friendly interface ensures a smooth transfer experience, provided you have sufficient storage and a reliable internet connection. Send Anywhere caters to users seeking versatility and speed, accommodating large files effortlessly. It's a go-to solution when you need to transfer diverse file types without worrying about size limitations, with occasional advertisements. USB cable and File Explorer remains a steadfast choice for straightforward, offline transfers, particularly for photos and videos. Its simplicity and reliability make it a favored method for many, especially when internet access is limited or unavailable. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.